my YouTube family, how are you? Today, we will teach you how to make 5 different types of chocolate, all made with the help of AI. This video is a must-watch, so please watch it till the end and learn something new. Try making these chocolates at home, and I assure you that you will be delighted. Making these chocolates is very easy. Let's get started. Don't skip the video, as it will be a loss for you. Ingredient: chocolate truffles. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest, most decadent chocolate truffles with just 3 ingredients. Perfect for gifting or satisfying your sweet tooth. Ingredients: you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, and cocoa powder for coating. That's it. Process: first, heat the heavy cream until it's warm but not boiling. Pour it over the chocolate chips and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then, stir until smooth. Pop it in the fridge for 1 hour to set. Once firm, scoop out small balls, roll them in cocoa powder, and voila! Your truffles are ready. These truffles are rich, creamy, and super easy to customize. Try rolling them in crushed nuts or coconut flakes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what flavor you'd try. Number 2. Microwave chocolate mug cake. Craving chocolate cake but don't want to spend hours baking? I've got you covered. Today, I'm making a single serving chocolate mug cake in just 5 minutes. Ingredients: grab 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and a pinch of salt. Process: mix all the dry ingredients in a mug, then add the wet ingredients. Stir until smooth. Microwave for 1-2 minutes, and you've got a warm, gooey chocolate cake. Top it with whipped cream or ice cream for the ultimate treat. This is perfect for those late-night cravings. Hit that like button if you're making this tonight. Number 3. Chocolate-dipped strawberries. Looking for a quick, elegant dessert? Today, I'm making chocolate-dipped strawberries, perfect for date night or a fancy snack. Ingredients: you'll need fresh strawberries, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and optional toppings like sprinkles or crushed nuts. Process: melt the chocolate in the microwave or double boiler. Dip each strawberry, let the excess drip off, and add your toppings. Place them on parchment paper to set. These are so simple yet so impressive. Tag me if you make them, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy dessert ideas. Number 4. No-bake chocolate oat bars. Need a quick energy boost? These no-bake chocolate oat bars are healthy, delicious, and ready in 20 minutes. Ingredients: gather 2 cups oats, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup honey, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, and a splash of vanilla extract. Process: mix the oats, peanut butter, honey, and vanilla. Press half the mixture into a pan. Melt the chocolate chips and spread over the oats. Top with the remaining oat mixture and refrigerate until set. These bars are perfect for snacks or breakfast on the go. Let me know if you try them, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 5. Chocolate fondue. Who doesn't love chocolate fondue? Today, I'm showing you how to make a quick and easy chocolate fondue at home. Perfect for parties or a fun night in. Ingredients: you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and your favorite dippers like fruit, marshmallows, or pretzels. Process: heat the cream until warm, then pour over the chocolate chips. Stir until smooth. Transfer to a fondue pot or bowl, and start dipping. This is such a fun and interactive dessert. Let me know in the comments what you dip in chocolate fondue. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. This is such a fun and interactive dessert. Let me know in the comments what you dip in chocolate fondue. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.